You're we're in the pool at where? Because this isn't our pool.
I know.
Where are we at?
Pop-Pop's
Pop-Pop's house. And you guys are making a whirlpool?
This is fun. Look at the way. And look, we're bouncing.
You're gonna splash all the water out of Pop-Pop's pool.
Imagine if you were on the rafts down there.
Right?
Somebody get the floaty.
Is Pop-Pop triggered? Somebody get the floaty.
Can you show everybody guys your jump?
Yeah, we want to see the jumps.
They can get like 5 feet in the air.
What?
No, girls, this calls for goggles.
This calls for goggles, she says.
I'll make it. Daddy, come in and make the big wave.
I would have to jump for that.
Come
I
in
said
and
half
jump.
the pool would be empty.
Yeah.
Daddy knows that.
Look at her go. Splashy McGee.
Get the deep bed.
Are you bringing those over so you can surf on them?
Yeah.
Okay.
We usually do.
Like we usually do.
Waves.
All right. Well, you don't want to surf in the waves.
No, it's the funnest.
It's the funnest. She goes, it's the funnest. You know, she watched that movie about the shark last night.
Yes, and we finished watching the rest this morning.
Okay.
So now they're in surf mode.
They watched the movie about the girl who got her arm bit off by a shark. So now they're in surfing mode. You think they would want to not surf?
Well, this isn't the ocean, but
I guess. There's no sharks in there, right, Molly? There's no sharks in
They
there?
actually got scared when that one blew in the pool before.
Uh-oh.
I know we're going to do a surfing jump. Yeah. Get this out of here. It's going to eat us.
It's gonna eat us.
Get it out, Amy.
All right, come on, let's get the surfing going.
All right, Amy, get on. Okay.
Let's go. Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Lady likes to do the big jump.
All right, how's it go?
Knees. 1, 2, 3. Knees.
Whoa! That was pretty good.
Oh, look, we're surf. Wait, I'm going.
Uh-oh, she fell.
Hey, we're surfing. Ugly shark. Bad shark.
Give the shark a suplex. Do moves to the shark. Give him a suplex.
Okay.
And give him an RKO out of nowhere.
Done.
He was eliminated from the Royal Rumble. Pencil arms.
Okay, running.
Okay, what's next? What's the next stunt?
The next one is stomach. Stomach.
Stomach.
Running. I'm coming.
I'm coming.
Coming, man. Ready? Wait.
She's not even up yet.
She looks up. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that was perfect. Perfect timing and perfect sequence. 1, 2, 3. Oh, pencil arm fell off. Molly fell off. Is that it for the day?
No.
Oh, there's more?
Let's see. Oh, my water dance. Oh, my water dance.
Let's see the water dance.
Alright, she doesn't really know, so she's gonna watch me. No, I made up the dance. Alright, ready? I'll do mine while she does hers.
All right, ready, set, and go.
Wait, let me get
Really?
Wait, what's mine? Dun, 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 dun.
Molly's kicking her legs. You hear this?
And this is how you roll.
Now, do you do big jumps off into the deep end? Do you do jumps into the deep end? Do you do big jumps into the deep end? All right, is that the end? Oh, there's more?
Yes.
Okay, what's next?
The next one is called wave pool. The wave.
Well, we started off with the wave pool. Are we ready?
For what? Popsicle.
Slow style, giant wave pool.
Let's go already. Come on. Get set. Go.
Bunty! How's that? We can make bigger waves than you, she said. It actually is kind of cold. What's the degree?
I think 79.
79.
It's so warm.
It's so warm.
They're used to it. They've been in.
I like how my dad goes, it's not pop temperature. It's a little chilly, but I think I'd get used to it.
Girls, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Okay.
Amy, you want me to show you some more? Mama's filming it now. Come here.
Is it gonna be in here?
No, I'm going to fill you out of it. It's really fun, remember?
I know Barbara said you're dieting, but you want a salad?
Daddy's been
Pizza's
eating
healthy.
Daddy's been eating the zebra cakes.
No, I haven't.
Those egg things.
1, 2, go, Molly.
Wow.
Again. That was fun.
Because again, that was fun.
You don't want a salad?
Ready?
No.
1,
And you stuck it in your butt.
3.
Wow.
That's fun. Help! He's sleeping.
What are you, a wild child? 1, 2.
2, 3.
Wow. I think Molly's too big to do that.
Higher, she says. All right, we're going to go the highest one ever. All
Go into the clouds.
right, ready?
No, to the
1,
moon.
2, 3.
Wow. Oh, she went under.
Let your dog go in under space.
Why don't we give Molly a turn?
No.
Molly, you want to get thrown?
Oh.
She hates to be thrown.
You don't want to be thrown.
This is the wild one.
Here, put on your own.
She don't want it.
Come on.
Come on, Molly, get thrown once for the video. One time, boy.
All right. I guess she really doesn't want to.
Didn't like it. Didn't like it. All right, she don't like to be thrown.
I like to be thrown. Oh. Check it out. I can't get out. Slide out. You touch your Daddy, help. Daddy.
You're touching.
I can't.
She dances around. I can't touch. Unbelievable, these two.
Is that it? We're done.
No, wait 1 second. Daddy, be prepared.
4. Really?
I told you to be prepared.
Really?
A splash attack.
Wait, not yet, I'm not ready.
That wasn't fair.
Wait, guys, watch out. 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Oh, she missed.
Try it again.
She missed the first time. Poor Pop Pop.
She's a wild one, Dad.
Let me try. They're fighting over who gets to throw the tube.
I can do it.
Good.
It's gonna go backwards.
Oh, I have a
laugh
name for
about it.
Papa.
All right, leave Pop Pop
I have
alone
a
now.
name for him.
What's that?
Papa Big Toe.
Pop, pop, big toe. I have the same big toe. Look,
I know.
I have the same feet.
Daddy Big Toe.
Big giant clump.
That's where you got her from.
At least I know I wasn't switched at birth.
You can tell by the toe.
Yeah.
Yes, nail fun, kids.
Oh, you better leave Pop Pop alone. He's not gonna let you come over to swim.
Shucks being 60, I'll tell you.
I'm right
Do you
here.
not see me holding her?
Here's a floaty. Thanks.
Okay, swim to it. I'll hold you up.
He'll hold you
I
up.
got you. I'm holding you. Look, my hand is under you. You're not going anywhere.
It's not that deep right there.
She keeps going, send help.
Finally.
Well, how are you
That's not
gonna
going to
learn?
teach you how to swim. She goes, yes, it is.
You're in a tube.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
All right. Don't make her scream.
All right. Go ahead, swim.
Look, Amy.
Swim.
I
She
can
can
swim.
do it. Look at her go. You should have seen before you turned the camera on. She's going, send help! Send help!
Swim to Pop Pop.
Swim to pop up. Ready? You gotta go a little under. There you go.
Yeah, there you
To
go.
Papa.
Swim to top.
I'm at Papa.
I'm at Pop Pop.
Send help.
Now, can you do it without the tube? Swim to Pop Pop.
I think that was a no. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. What? Let
Let
me in.
me in.
You gotta go. All right.
Under the rope.
She went over the
Over.
rope.
Careful.
All right, Ed, ready?
Amy, look, can't come to the warm water. Help! I'm gonna fall.
You're not gonna fall. You're in your donut tube.
You're not gonna.
She's eating
She's
the
trying to
donut.
eat it now. I don't know if you've seen her trying to eat it. How about I throw you in the donut tube?
No, don't throw her.
How was that?
That's scary. I'm gonna fall out. You want your goggles?
Wanna do it again?
No, no, no,
Ready?
no, no. You hold the raft.
Okay, we got a raft. What is this? This looks like something out of Fear Factor.
No.
Are you gonna run?
Go, go.
Oh, you should. She's gonna crawl across it, folks.
Did it.
You should try to run across it.
Splash.
Now you're supposed
I'm
to.
gonna set it up for you.
Oh. What?
Fall and bash their heads.
Oh yeah. All right, don't run across it. Just do what you're doing. Crawl.
Yeah.
All right, I'll come in once I'm done filming their video.
Okay, ready?
Set, go, pencil arms, go! Dun, 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 gloom. Good job.
Alright, now so please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for rafts.